Hey guys, welcome back in Bangla YT. So here is another video. So in this video, we're going to set up the backpack picking system for our mobile UE5. So last of video we set up that action mapping that basically when we press the buttons, it should be we can get some, basically our third person can do something. Okay, so now we'll be enable or the pick system. So I already found this backpack in Sketchware. This model is totally great, but problem have the all the parts is separated, so we need to use Blender for fixing this issue. So first of all, we need to go in general and we need to basically import that model in our Blender. So import the fbx, download, maybe and set up in my compress and source, that is basically the low poly, and here's the backpack. As you can see, all the models is separated, so we'll be select them and join them in a one piece. So just select and select all and join them in a one piece. Okay, now this is a one piece, so we can use this backpack. And if I go shaders, so as you can see, maybe there's a tons of shaders, so I don't know how we can do that. So before do anything, let me just untick this thing. And first of all, let's see that how they set up the backpack. As you can see, they have maybe the textures in here. Let me check that they have texture or not, or this model have texture or not. Yep, as you can see, this model have some texture, some backpack. So okay, if these have textures, so we'll be select them all and join them in a one piece. Like first export that in a fbx format. I'm just exporting and go to download and simply set up here that bh bag and export. Now come in Unreal Engine and then in a backpack folder, let's import this bag and import all. So we have this material, as you can see. So import the texture. Right now we need to compress and we need this AO metallic, normal, roughness, we need all this stuff. Okay, we have now all. Now double click and open this one material and select here basically the backpack material. If everything is great, it should be worked properly. Let's see. Okay, the size is pretty much enough, super big, but okay. As you can see, everything is pretty much enough good at here. That's what I want. So first of all, we need to delete this thing and make it to resize that. Open and let's set it to 0.3 for, I guess. Let's check that the size is okay or not. I hope the size should be now okay. As you can see, the size is still super big, so I think we need to try by 0.1 back 0.1. Okay, I think we need some more big. 0.2, I think that is the perfect for this model. 0.2 import. Oh, why it's going? Yes, now I guess it's good for this character. Okay, yeah, I think it's great. Okay, so now we need to basically select this material and set up the basically the normal and roughness for the AO is basically this ones, and the metallic is for this. There's some metallic change available maybe. For the normal will be use this one, and there's a maybe roughness, so that is the basically the roughness in roughness category saved. And let's see, let's check. Yeah, as you can see, that is pretty much enough. Great, looking super great right now. Okay, now what you need to do, basically we need to set up our character that it's have basically that is skeleton, and that is skeleton basically pick up, you can attach that. So double click and open your skeleton. You can select the roots, even spin. So let me select this pin to this pin 2 and add a stock. We can give it name that bag, and with that bag we can basically view with our backpack, so we can basically adjust that how much you want. This is not what you think, guys. This is some big, you think? And I think we need this model some more small, I guess. Like a 0 2.25, something like that. However, we can adjust that in a later. Okay, now first of all we need something. What you need to do, just we need to convert this thing in a blueprint actor. So just go to actor and make it a bag bp. So now add here in this bag, compile and saved. And here what we'll do is basically add a box collision instead of that, and make sure the our bag is have non-contamination or the non-collisions, because if they have collision, so our player can't go inside of that backpack, so even he can't pick up the backpack also. So we want that he can go inside of the backpack and just pick. Okay, so once we have that backpack, we need to come in our third character, that is basically our character bp. And then let's make it here that bag and ref, that is basically the bag reference. And then we need to write that back the bag bp and object reference, compile and save. And now we need a custom event for pick this thing, so custom event dot pick. Okay, so I'm just creating this thing. And then on the backpack will be first of all check that is a valid or not. If it's a valid, so basically what it will be do, basically it will be attached with our body. So attach actor, so just write that attach actor with the components. And the target is basically our backpack and parent is our get mesh, so just get the mesh and connect it with this thing. The stock is basically which stock you name you gave at here, like the bag or whatever you write. So just to go your third person, right here that bag, and snap target. Okay, now compile and saved. So for now executing this thing, so for now let's use a keyboard and we'll be add something with that, so we can iterate with our UI basically. So the x with for now the pickup for this one to pick up that basically the backpack. And what you need to do, basically drag and drop, remove this backpack, go whatever your bag, drag and drop your backpack at here, play. Now what we need basically, now if I press X, so it will be not attached with my backpack. Why? Because it's don't have correctly this backpack value. Okay, so what we need right now, we need that in the event graph, we need on event begin play and event take or event end, that cast to our third person, or his name is third person, cast to the hi. Why it's not coming? Oh sorry, it's other actor, cast to third person character. And once we do that, now we can basically control his bag reference. So set the bag reference, and then we need basically that from any like a boolean, that bag near, basically it will be verify that are we are near of that bag or not. If you are not near, we can't do that. So also get the backpack, and if it's true that we are near of that backpack, yep, if it's true, so then we can pick, or we can't pick that bag. So go to backpack, and at here just connect it with like this and set the back reference itself. And now we need that basically bag dot set a near bag, just give it that true, and duplicate this once again and connect it with the end, and copy this to also and connect it with input false. Okay, now all the system has been now executed. If we are near of the backpack, we can pick up that. So now if I press the X keyboard, so as you can see the backpack is attached with my body. Okay, and then if I play and just press X, so as you can see I can't pick up that backpack. I must need to go that instead of collisions, then I can basically pack can get that backpack. Okay, I hope you understand. So thank you so much for watching guys, love you all, bye bye, and see you in next video.